Okay, now question number 18. Okay, so here a spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B, starting with center at A of radius 0.5, then 1.0 centimeter, then 1.5 centimeter, then 2 centimeter, as shown in figure. So what is the total length of such a spiral made up 13 consecutive semicircles? Okay, and here pi is equal to 22 upon 7 if that we take value. Okay, so here the figure is like that. Okay, so here center A and center B. First time we take center A with 0.5 centimeter. Okay, it means radius we take 0.5. Suppose it is 0.5, then I draw first semicircle. Okay, then I take center B from here. Okay, it means both side here 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, total length 1. Okay, now I take B center as 1.0 radius. First time 0.5, second time 1.0, it is 1, this total length. Okay, so from this center, okay, as B I take and I draw another semicircle. Okay, then it become, hello, with 1 radius. Okay, from center B to here 1 radius, and this side also 0.5, 0.5, 1. Okay, now again we take center A, so now we take 1.5 radius. So here this 1 and this 0.5, so total 1.5. Then I draw from this here. Okay, so up to here semicircle, so it is 1.5. Now second time center B, so total here up to 1 and this 1, it means 2 centimeters. So from center B I take another last semicircle with radius 2. Okay, so as like we draw total 13 semicircle. Okay, and it is, these are all consecutive semicircles. It means there is total number of semicircles are 13. Okay, and after then we find the length of semicircle. It means L1, then L2, then L3, and then L4. Okay, now answer 18. Okay, so here the length of successive semicircle is L1, L2, L3, L4 up to L13, and with centers alternatively A, B, A, B, like that we take. Okay, and we form semicircle. So here the length of semicircle is equal to 1/2 circumference. Okay, it is circumference. Now here uh, the formula of circumference is 2 pi r, or you know pi d also. Okay, pi d, that you already learned in 7th standard. Okay, if you want to find the length of circle, it means it is called circumference. So here semicircle it is, that's why we take 1/2. So 1/2 into bracket 2 pi r. So we get here 2 to cancel, so pi r. This is the length of semicircle, it is pi r. Okay, so now we find L1, L2, L3, like that. So here L1 is equal to pi r1. Okay, first radius is equal to pi 0.5. Okay, so here 0.5 one time, so 1 multiplied 0.5 pi. Okay, then L2, so there is pi r2, so r2 here 1 centimeter we take radius, so pi multiplied 1, and 1 how can we get? When we take 2 times 0.5, then 1, so 2 times 0.5 multiplied pi. So as like here L3 pi r3 pi 1.5, then 3 multiplied 0.5 pi, then L4. Okay, so pi r4, then pi multiplied 2, so here 4 times 0.5 pi. Okay, so A zone up to L13, so pi r 13. It means here pi multiplied 6.5 we take, then we get r13. It means 6.5. Okay, so here 6.5 means 13 times 0.5 pi. Okay, so like that. Hello, here the length of semicircles. Okay, so now we write uh, the length of spiral, that is semicircle means spiral. So here is equal to L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus up to plus L13. In each length there is 0.5 here come, you see 0.5 pi, 0.5 pi, 0.5 pi, 0.5 pi, 0.5 pi. So we take out common here 0.5 pi from the length of spiral. So there is remain only 1 2 3 4 up to 13. So here L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus dash 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 13. Okay, if we take 0.5 pi common from the length of semicircle or length of spiral. Okay, now we find sum of first 1 to 13 numbers, because there is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to 13 numbers are given. So that we take as a AP. So here from 1 to 13 there is first term is A is equal to 1 and last here 13. So L is equal to 13. Total number are N is equal to 13. So by Sn formula. Okay, so Sn is equal to N upon 2 into bracket A plus L. So here N is equal to 13 upon 2 into bracket 1 plus 13. Okay, so here 13 upon 2 multiplied 14, 2 7 ja 14, so 13 7 ja 91. So here S13 91 come. Okay, so this value we put in the total length of spiral formula. Okay, so now again we write total length of the spiral. Okay, so here is equal to 0.5 pi into bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 13, that we already get. Okay, so here we find the answer S13 is equal to 91. Okay, the sum of first 13 number, that is 91 we got. Okay, so here 0.5 multiplied pi multiplied 91, then 0.5 multiplied pi value 22 upon 7 multiplied 91. Okay, so here 0.5 if we write in 1 upon 2, so 1 upon 2 multiplied 22 multiplied 13. Here say 7 13s are 91, so we write here 13. Okay, so then we get only 11 and 13, and there is answer is 143 centimeter. So total length of spiral, okay, is 143 centimeter.